Welcome to another edition of Savory Saturday. Today we are making stuffed peppers. Then we're going to stuff them with chicken this time. So the first thing you need to do is saute your onion. So you just chop it up. Some people like red, some people like white. Pick whatever onion you like best. Once you've cut this up, we'll saute it for 5 minutes, and then we'll add in our riced cauliflower, a little bit of lemon or lime juice, some garlic, chili powder, and some cumin. And then you'll saute that all up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you'll add the chicken. Again, it's all about how much you want in there. If you want more garlicky, then add more than the recipe calls for. And then the recipe will be in the comments. While the onions are sauteing, we're going to prep our chicken. You'll just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Make sure you keep all of the pieces the same. And this will be added once we are done cooking the riced cauliflower. Now that we have cut up 2 cups of chicken, we will cook it up in our frying pan. Just a little bit of olive oil and any seasoning that you'd like. We did chili powder, pepper, and salt. Once this is all cooked, then we will add it to the mix of riced cauliflower, onion, garlic, and seasoning. While your chicken is cooking, we are going to prep the peppers. All you do is cut the top off and then gut the inside. Use a nice little small knife to gut the inside, and then we will stuff these once your chicken is done. All right, we have our peppers prepped. Now we're ready to mix everything together. We have our cooked chicken, we have our riced cauliflower mixture with onions and garlic and all that fun seasoning. Mix that in the pan. And then we will also be adding drained black beans, great source of protein, and enchilada sauce. Obviously pick the heat that you like. We'll saute this all together for a couple of minutes, get it nice and blended, and then we will stuff the peppers. We've got all of our stuff combined and mixed up and cooked. Now we just take our pepper, stuff it nice and tight, and then you just top it with cheese of your choice. We thought it would be fitting to use Mexican cheese. Top it with cheese, and then you'll bake this at 375 for 20 minutes, covered. Then you uncover it and bake for another 10, and then you can serve with salsa, avocado, sour cream, anything your heart desires. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, shoot us a comment of what you'd like to see next week. Thanks so much.